Welcome back to 5410 Africa, the channel that helps you travel Africa. This video, the final one of our Northeast Namibia series, I'll be showing you a little bit of Katima Mulilo, the town, what to expect. I think this is important because you're coming from Zambia, you're coming from Botswana. This will be the first decent Namibian town you drive into. I will also be showing you the Kubu and Kwena luxury cottages. I made a post on Facebook yesterday. They made a comment and said, Nick, come and say hello. I emailed them this morning and they said, well, even better, come and spend the night. So very random, but I love it. I hope that this happens more often as I travel through Africa. I don't know much about Kubu and Kwena. I just had a quick look on the website, actually very close to the last lodge that I stayed. What I did see and what I'm excited about is they have one of those swimming pools that's inside the river. So I don't care if it's raining or sunshine or cold or whatever. I will end this video today with me swimming in the Zambezi river. We are entering Katima from the Ngoma side. If you carry on straight here, you'll go to the Zambian border, only about 5 kilometers away. We're going to go left, and on your left is a tire shop, as well as behind that Zambezi Midas. They've got a small basic camping section as well as a fishing tackle section. We're coming here because I need to fill my big gas bottle up, as well as get one of those small camping gas canisters. Managed to fill my 4.5 kg gas for 165, and I bought a small camping gas cylinder for 85. I recommend if you're coming to Namibia, you try and do these things in Windhoek, the capital. It's just much cheaper. And then this spare shop, this is a motorvac. It's literally just around the corner from there. It's like left. Managed to get my bulbs, $6 Namibian each. And now I'm gonna go to Pick and Pay for a little bit of shopping. The Pick and Pay, a little mall, is also again just around the corner. Remember what I said in the previous video? These places tend to get busy. Saturday morning, New Year. Oh, nice. Brand new Defender Bruce. There's a brand new Land Rover Defender, Free State number plates, overlanding. Let's get in here. I just realized in the shop I didn't need that much. Obviously because I'm staying an extra night. Coke for $12 Namibian. So the kilogram of yogurt for $38 Namibian, and a liter of long life milk for $20 Namibian. Remember, when you shop in the north, you need to keep your till slip because they check it at the door. Yes, it is hot. For that person that asked, it is January, beginning of 2023. It's summer. It's very hot. It almost rains every day in Katima Mulilo, and it's extremely humid. On top of that, as I mentioned, Saturday morning and it's busy. Fortunately, the Shell isn't too far. You'll notice that the entire town, or everything you need, is just in this little group. Like literally now, where I'm sitting now, that's the Pick and Pay, that's the bank. There's a KFC in front of me. There's another shop to the left. Down there is the spare shop, the motorvac that we went. Around the corner is the camping shop, as well as the tire place. Okay, looks like we got a gap. And that's just about Katima Mulilo. Kubu and Kwena is located on the B8 road on your way to the Ngoma border. I think it's about 15 kilometers. Then there's a left turn. There's another 20 kilometers, 25 kilometers. Another left turn, about a kilometer, and another left turn. Don't worry, I'll show you. There's a big sign here that says Kubu and Kwena, and it's about 33 kilometers up until here. Oh, a little bit of mud. I'm not even a 4x4. That is exactly how an adventure should start. I'm pretty excited to get to that swimming pool. Seems to be the entrance. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. All the gates are locked. 2 gates. Oh no. Oh, there we go. It's this gate. It's the second gate. Oh, these must be the campsites right next to me. Oh, it's beautiful. I love these river camps. Let's see, where is the reception? Oh, there it is. Let's go check in. excited. Oh, it's a dog. All checked in, and I've been given the Kwena cottage, Kwena bush cottage. It's literally just down, like 10 meters down the road. Pretty excited because I've already seen the swimming pool, and it's even better than I imagined. It's pretty special. So I'm just gonna stop, show you the cottage, show you the pool from my deck, and then whatever comes up next. I haven't done one of these in ages. I show you a little cottage. Look at that. We'll dry outside. What I have learned is always unlock it before you go in. This is a little self. I think this one's called Kubu. This is the Kwena. Self catering, the fridge, the bedroom, big double. Double bed. I haven't done that. And then you got the shower, beautiful bathroom. This is the outside area. So I really want to show you deck. Hope you can see it from here. That is a swimming pool, and you actually need to take a boat ride to get to it.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back.
I told you I'm going to finish this video swimming in the Zambezi River, and how awesome is this? They could have put the swimming pool next to the side, but they decided to put it in the middle of the river. That's so awesome. And you need to get taken out by boat. Timothy, hey Timothy, do you mind being on camera? Is it right? Okay. Timothy is taking me out to the swimming pool, and then we'll end the video there. And it's over there.
I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again.
How amazing is this? This is like right on the river, like smack in the middle. I would have been in already, but I've got the microphone on and stuff. Yeah, just excited. Just excited to be here. I want to thank Kubu and Kwena Cottages again for letting me spend the night here. Everything happened so fast. I know they've got bush cottages. I know that it's self-catering. They've got a bar. They've got a restaurant. They do a lot of activities: fishing, boat trips, trips out to Ku-Wena National Park. You can just ask when you get here.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now. But it's the same old story. Our love just went cold.
It's not very deep, so it's like a little splash pool. Anyway, I think that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope it was at least informative. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. I need 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Join my Patreon. I would love to have 200 by the end of 2023.